Guys, it's me, Zed, from Zed Network. Here we're going to be doing a instant replay tutorial, a little instant replay tutorial for those who want instant replay in their cast. This is to put the next level. This is to up your game in the casting world. So here we got a little pub, right? We got a pub going on, and I'm like, man, I want instant replay, you know, like goal gets scored, want to see that back. So first thing you're going to do is I'll put this link in the video. You're going to want to go here, you want to download it, right? You're going to get instantreplay.lua. Then we're making this quick, alright? You go to OBS, you know, you got all your casting set up. You're going to go to Tools, Script, and then you're going to click the plus here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, I can't show it because I'm pretty sure my name is in that directory. But anyways, click the plus, copy that directory, and then just place this file into that directory. Then you got it all loaded up, restart OBS, and then we're going to go into settings here. Once you got that all set up, hotkeys, and then you can see the first thing you're going to do is instant replay here. So just set that as, I have it as insert. You can do whatever button, just make sure you remember it. And then remember that key because you're going to make another scene. You're going to make another scene here, and you're going to name it instant replay or something of the sort. You know, make it. So say you have your instant replay scene. You're going to click the plus here, and media source, you set your media source, and you name it instant replay source or whatever you want, right? So say you've made that. I'm not going to actually make it. And then, oh shit, I just deleted. Okay, so I actually just deleted my entire instant replay scene in one simple click. Can this be fixed? Okay, yeah, so no, it's actually just gone. That's oh, that's so good. So, well, I guess I can just bring you along with remaking instant replay. No, stop. It's the instant replay scene. I cannot type. Okay, and then damn, yeah, that's actually tragic. Oh, we're gonna do media source, and we're gonna call it instant replay source. Okay, then what's gonna happen here is we're gonna, hold on, just cancel that for a second. We're gonna go to settings, and we are gonna go to output. Recording, here it is. So you're gonna want to set your recording path to something like videos or replays, right? Mine's called replays, so make sure you set that. So then when you go in here and you click browse, you can go to that folder, and you're just gonna want to select, okay, wait, just, okay, select, wait, what? Okay. Yeah, so basically you have to save a replay. Like, you're going to want to click your save a replay button, and then you're going to go into properties and select that. And each new one it makes, it's going to just select the newest one in there. So I can go back to period 1 here. Okay, so yeah, so now say, let's see, you got Joe Skid here, up to Frog. Frog's making a move. Look at him go. Here he goes. He's driving to the net. Let's get that drive. I want to replay that drive. Boom. Click my insert key. It's set to switch to the scene and record the replay. Look, Frog's driving the puck up. So yeah, all of that's correct. Keep doing that. Keep doing what I said. And then, you know, you can add a little spice to it. Like, let's add some text here. We'll name it instant replay text. Instant replay on there. And then we can, you know, go in. This is how I had it before. Make it like that, and then we'll have a, oh man, how do you do this? Background, here we go. Background opacity, give it a little opacity. You know, this lets the audience know that this is not live. This is an instant replay, right? Alright, so now you know they know, oh, it's an instant replay, okay. You know, you gotta give the audience cues. You can't, your screens can't just have nothing on it. Otherwise, it's just gonna look crappy. So, you know, there we go. Instant replay. Another thing I like to do is put, I think, oh, game capture, yeah. Is I like to put the live footage, maybe in the top corner here, so people can kind of see what's going on. That's kind of the setup here. But yeah, just to rerun it, you're gonna want to download this, file settings, or sorry, no, you're gonna want to go to tools, scripts, click the add button, get that file directory, make sure this file that you download goes into there. And then what you can do is you can go in here, go to settings, you set your hotkeys. You get insert. This one's important. Insert, that saves the replay. And then for your scene, you're going to want to do the same key, so when you click it, it auto switches to that scene. Make sure your this buffer is on, because this is what's recording. And then when you click the button, it's like, okay, got to save the last 2 minutes instead of deleting it. Yeah, so let's see what else is there. I think that's pretty much about it. Oh yeah, and then, so basically you're going to want to click that button to record a replay really quick, so that it saves it in that folder you set in settings as your output. And then you can just go select that exact file, and each time you click it, it's going to make a new one. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully, I don't know if pretty sure I got it all covered. I can also help if anyone actually uses this. I doubt anyone will use this, but